Welcome back to my channel Kettlam by Sarvani. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe. If you are new here, please don't hesitate to press that red button called subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to not miss an update from my channel. If you are not following on my Instagram page, please follow Kettlam by Sarvani as I am mostly active on it. So today I want to do a different video from my previous makeup tutorials. I decided to share my product empties in the lockdown series. It includes all my skincare, hair care and makeup products too. Here I might repurchase some of the products, but some products are not worth buying. Please don't skip the video as I am sharing all my reviews on these products which are worth buying or not. So without any further ado, let us jump into the video. So firstly, I want to share my skincare products. First product is the Body Shop Shower Cream. Use this shower cream as my face wash too. Of course it sounds weird, but it is true. I use it for my face. It decreases the rate of bumps on my forehead too. As the Body Shop products are very good for everyone as it is also cruelty free. So I like the Body Shop products. I can't live without Body Shop Shower Cream. And the next product is Forest Essentials Delicate Cleanser. I already shown this product in my night skincare routine in my IGTV. It is a mild cleanser. As you know, the Forest Essentials brand is so good for the skin and the body too. As it contains Kashmiri saffron and neem, it doesn't breaks out my skin. To be honest, it don't make a big difference, but the rate of acne has decreased after started using this product. I am in love with this. I already ordered this from Nykaa, so waiting for this product. It retails for 325 rupees only for 50 ml and it is also travel friendly. Next comes my favorite product and very hyped product too. It is none other than Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. It is a makeup remover. We applied on our face, it converts into oil and removes all the makeup including waterproof too. I love this product and after this I use micellar water to remove my makeup. So double cleansing is very important in nighttime skincare routine. It is also very important for the ones who are not using makeup too, to make your skin look good. So never skip double cleansing. And the best part from the Clinique Take Off Balm is it doesn't dries out your skin even you have dry skin. Even it is not cost effective, it worth every penny. It retails for 890 rupees for the mini version. You can also buy it the big version too. Now comes the most important part of the morning skincare routine, especially in summers. Not only in summers, every day you have to apply this. That is none other than sunscreen. I use Neutrogena sunscreen with 50 plus SPF with PA+++. It is my go-to product. I use every day whenever I step out. Whenever I am going out, I just apply some moisturizer, sunscreen, some kajal and some lipstick and I am ready to go. Without sunscreen, I don't step out and it decreases the level of tanning on my face. So never ever skip the application of sunscreen. For the one who has oily skin, better skip this Neutrogena one. Go for Lotus or Lakme one. So it retails for 190 rupees for 30 ml. It also makes your skin smooth and blurry. So definitely I am repurchasing it. Next product is Himalaya Lip Balm. You guys already seen me in previous videos using Himalaya Lip Balm only. So this is my favorite lip balm till date. It contains wheat germ oil and carrot seed oil. Before applying lipstick, every time I apply a lip balm. Without lip balm, I don't apply any lipstick. It smoothens my lips from dry and flakiness. Whenever you are applying a lipstick, please apply a lip balm before application of your lipstick. So it keeps your lips dry free and flaky free. It just retails for 30 rupees. Yes, it retails for 30 rupees. But I'm not going to repurchase it as I want to try something new. So now comes my hair care products. The first one is Wella Professionals Renewing Mask. After I have done my hair smoothing, I just started using Wella products. And this is renewing mask. After shampooing, you have to apply this mask on your hair for 5 minutes and leave it for 5 minutes. And it makes your hair smooth and shiny. Actually it costs 1100 rupees. So I stopped purchasing that and started purchasing this Wella Professionals from moisturizing treatment for dry and damaged hair. This is also very good mask than that one, but it costs only 650 rupees. I like this mask than this mask. So I thought buying this one is better than 1100 rupees one. It just makes my hair very smooth and frizz free too. Even I don't use heating products more. It makes my hair look straight and frizz free. It's best for normal to thick hair and it is of 150 ml. I am gonna repurchase every time. After shampooing my hair, I definitely use a serum. Previously, I used to use Matrix serum. I don't say it is bad, but this L'Oreal Serie Expert Lipidium Repair serum is more efficient than Matrix serum and it has a sweet fragrance. Without application of this serum, my hair looks damaged and frizzy and wavy too. So after application of this serum, my hair looks super soft and super shiny. I am definitely gonna repurchase it. It costs for 600 rupees only. If you are looking for a good serum, then go for it. Then comes my makeup products. Now first one is my first ever foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation is one of the best drugstore foundation ever seen. So it costs for 500 rupees. It's good for normal to oily skin and also use it for combination skin. Previously I used to use this, but now my skin tone changed. So I think I became more lighter than previous. So I have to go and check my shade and buy on the offline store. It told that it is matte and poreless, but I think it's not that much matte, not dewy. So if you want the dewy look, mix a bit of moisturizer to your foundation so you can get that dewy look. It's better in summer for normal to oily skin. So whoever wants to try, just make it try. Now comes the Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. I literally in love with this product previously because it makes my face looks fresh for 6 to 8 hours. Even in summers, it doesn't make my skin oily even in my T-zone. If you want to give a try, just go for it. But it has only 3 shades. The main drawback is lack of shades. It only has 3 shades. So if you match these shades, better go for this. It retails for just 450 rupees. It looks good even after applying any BB cream or CC cream. So I used to apply this after CC cream. But now I'm not gonna repurchase it. Now comes my holy grail makeup product. I literally love this product. It is Lakme 925 CC cream. I am not a foundation person, so whenever I am stepping out and I want some sheer coverage, I'll just go for it. And I suggested many of my friends and family members who want a sheer coverage whenever they are going out but not using a foundation on a daily basis. So who want a sheer coverage but not a foundation person can definitely try this one. Of course, when you apply this, it makes a white cast on your face, but after 5 to 10 minutes, it settles down to your skin tone. This 925 CC cream has 4 shades and mine is beige. You can't ever imagine, even I just went with this CC cream for my best friend's wedding too. And the big product retails for 335 rupees. But it costs just 99 rupees. If you want to try this one, it costs 99 rupees. Go for it and try it. If you want to try any of these products, please try this and just tag me on your story. My Instagram page name is Getglam by Sarvani. If you are not following, please follow on my Instagram page too, and I am mostly active on it. If you want to see these type of videos, please don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. Please subscribe to Getglam by Sarvani and don't forget to press the bell icon to not miss an update from my channel. So until then, I am signing off. Bye.